Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to talk about what you should do if you suddenly find yourself banned by Airbnb. Happens to the best of us sometimes. There was a guest and a woman, and she claimed that she'd had some kind of incident in the local supermarket, kind of a racist incident, which surprised me because I've lived here for many years and never experienced that. I've experienced some things, but nothing major really. So that was kind of surprising, and I wondered a bit about her a bit. And she was odd. Yeah, just I can't remember exactly what, but there were some odd things with their stay. And I think for the review, I gave them a low score out of 5, like 2 out of 5 or 3 out of 5. So in another video, I talk about that you should always review your guests, even if it's negative. So here's the danger of doing that. So I'd given her a negative review, and she read that afterwards. And after the fact, so after reading the review, she contacted Airbnb and claimed that we had hidden cameras. Now, Airbnb reacts very quickly to an allegation like that. It's quite unfortunate because even if you're a superhost and you've been hosting for years and doing a good job, doesn't matter. You know, as soon as a guest claims that, you have to prove you're innocent. So it was, I don't know, it was like a week after she had stayed with us, she and her husband, and suddenly I found my account all locked up. I was like, what the heck? And so I contacted Airbnb, and they said that, you know, there'd been an allegation made. And I said, well, what? And I'm not sure if they told me or not. I can't remember. It was a while ago now. They may have told me the allegation, or they may have told me there was just an allegation. And so I decided that I would contact the guest that I figured had made the allegation, and it was this lady. And to her credit, she replied to me. And so she said that she had told Airbnb that we had hidden cameras, which we don't. And so I said, why would you think that? And she said she had an app, and this app said that we had hidden cameras. And she told me that she had also made claims against another Airbnb that was not in the town, but near our town. So I thought, wow, someone else has gone through this, or is going through this as well. So I just thought, well, I'm innocent, but how do you prove you're innocent? You know, proving your innocence. I was thinking, okay, how do I do that? Think like a lawyer. And so I contacted Airbnb, and they scheduled a meeting for the next day. So I had a phone meeting with them, and I just had everything prepared, what I was going to say. And I just said, you know, look, we've been hosting for years now, thousands of guests, and this is the first guest that has ever claimed anything like this. And she told me that she claimed it at another Airbnb. So either there are a lot of perverts around, you know, including me, or she's not well. You know, she's not well. And I said, if you want to come out today or come out tomorrow and come and check for hidden cameras, I mean, anytime you want to come, I'm available. And that was enough to convince them to reinstate us. So actually they never did come out, as far as I know, and check. Maybe one of them stayed, secretly afterwards. I don't know. But I just thought, I'm innocent. I've got nothing to hide. So, come and check. I went to the Airbnb community, and I'm very honest there. I don't worry about that Big Brother is watching or anything. I'm pretty honest about what I think about things. If it's good, I say it. If it's not good, I say it too. So I went on there, and I've got their highest level of reputation, like level 10. I've posted quite a bit there. And I just said, isn't it a shame that a super host who has a level 10 at the community too is instantly banned when, one word of one guest and you get banned. And that's really unfair. And that really sucks, And I said that at the community. I was able to access the community, so I was banned from accessing certain things, but not everything. So if you read people on the internet who claim that Airbnb, stopped me from hosting and banned me and I can't even contact them, I really wonder about those stories, because I was able to contact Airbnb. I was able to participate in the community, and I bitched about that. I said, this is so unfair, and a few people sort of chimed in and said that, plead your case. Some people, unfortunately, were never able to get reinstated. So I don't know if we were lucky or if they realized, okay, we're good people. I mean, I guess they did. Obviously, they reinstated us. But there must be some hosts that are doing bad things. I'm sure there are. There are thousands of hosts. Most are good, though. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about this story, and this story taught me that we're vulnerable. Yeah, you can't rely on this income only. You don't rely on Airbnb only. Always have a backup, because it can be taken away, tomorrow. And then just deal with things calmly. Know that you're innocent and plead your case. Be well prepared, and state your case to them. And I don't know. I'm not sure what else to say. I think unfortunately, you're going to run into some guests who are different, strange, not doing well mentally here and there. If you do this long enough, I've had thousands of guests, so most guests have been great. But, out of thousands of guests, one did this, so you've got to be careful. Should you never write negative reviews in order to save yourself from this? I don't think so, because then I think the system breaks down. Then you have terrible guests staying all over the place because no one reviews them. Terrible guests should either get better, should improve, or they should be off the system. They should stay at a hotel if they don't suit Airbnb. So I think you review guests, but I think you're very careful in how you review them and what you say, and make sure that legally you're not putting yourself in a position, and be ready to defend yourself if they make some kind of allegation. But this is rare. I mean, I've been hosting since 2015, and this has happened once, and it's been thousands of guests. And hopefully it won't happen again. But if it does, I'll try to do the same thing and defend myself. So be careful out there. Good luck. Hope your hosting is going well. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, or comments. If you have any similar stories, we'd love to hear them. Put them in the comments below. Please subscribe if you want to, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you very much.